how to download Borderlands 2 on your Windows computer. So open your browser. I'm using Chrome. Just open your browser and search for Steam. Go for the first result. Install Steam. Install Steam again. And this will be the application. Just you need to double click. Yes, next. Browse your location where you want Steam to be installed, and then press the install button. I'm not going to do it. So yeah, this is the Steam logo. So double click it and make sure if you are new, you need to create an account. All right, so from the Steam store, go to the search box, search Borderlands 2, and this is the game. Tap here, add to cart, view my cart, continue to payment. After you pay the game, after you buy the game, so your game will be in your library. So somewhere here, just tap the game and press the install button and you will be good to go.